Like this shooting stuff, got a very short little clip just to see what blows up a chunk of ice, out of our protein mix jugs out of a 20 gauge and a 12 gauge slug. First up is my son Newton with his 20 gauge, and we'll see what happens, and we'll hit it with the 12.
Yeah,
12.
12.
I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler.
Ow. Ow. I got hit with some ice. Wow. Hey! I got hit with more ice that time.
I think the 20 gauge did better.
20 gauge.
Almost the same.
How can I forget?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Well, we're recording. Yeah. Anyway, looks like this in here emptied it all out. Instead the cup in there.
The scoop's
But
full of
looks like
ice.
they blew up exactly the same.
That's so cool.
20 gauge hit a little bit faster for sure, but hey,
12 gauge got more energy.
it blew it up. It wouldn't, they ain't living. So remember, get out there, have fun, shoot stuff, do it safely, like, subscribe, and if you want a shirt, let us know and we'll make them right at our house.